Creating our first website. We know the foundations of SharePoint Designer, so let's crack on and build and publish our first website. When we create a SharePoint site, we must know its hierarchy. It helps to understand where our site is in the hierarchy. Let's talk about 3 SharePoint concepts which are really very important for developing a SharePoint site. First comes the top-level website. This is the default top-level site provided by a web server. To open the top-level website, you have to supply the URL of the server. Next, we have the subsite, a complete website stored in a named subdirectory of the top-level website. Each subsite can have administration, authoring, and browsing permissions that are independent from the top-level website and other subsites. And finally, we have a site collection, a set of websites on a web server, all of which has the same owner and share administration settings. Each site collection contains exactly one top-level website and can also contain one or more subsites. There can be multiple site collections on each web server. We have seen the interface of SharePoint Designer, basic concepts, and site hierarchy. There are more types of websites. We have seen some types in our previous lessons. Now let's check what websites are available in SharePoint. To open the SharePoint Designer, first go to Start, and then to Programs, click on Microsoft Office, and click on Microsoft Office SharePoint Designer 2007. We've now opened the SharePoint Designer. This is the main page. By default, SharePoint opens this page. To create a new website, go to File, click on New, and then select Website. A window opens. Our screen lists with 3 categories. Here we have General, Templates, and SharePoint Templates. The 3 templates in the General category provide very basic websites that are really a good place to begin when we want to build from scratch. We have 3 options, namely One-Page Website, Empty Website, and Import Website Wizard. We're going to see all about these in our forthcoming lessons. The one-page website has one page in it, and empty does not have any pages, but we can add any pages to it. The Import Website Wizard option allows us to create a new website by importing files, either from an existing website, or from a folder on our computer, or even from the network. We also have SharePoint Templates, which have more options if we have opened a SharePoint website. Let's create a basic site, and we can start learning from that. As I said, the 3 templates are very useful when we build a site from scratch. So, let's select the one-page website. And here we have the path for this site. We can change that by clicking the Browse button. Click OK now. We created a one-page website. A default page in the name of default.htm is created. If we want to rename it, right-click and select Rename. Let's open this page to see the codes in it and also design in this page. We can open this default.htm with a simple double-click. Now with this, we're able to see the codes. Now we're able to differentiate the document pages. We have code in the upper half and design in the lower half of the page. We also have design, code, and split views. Initially, there will be no design in this page since we haven't made any design. We've created a website now, a basic one-page website. We can also add some pages if you need. In the next lesson, we're going to see about adding pages to the website we created just now. Let's add some pages to our site.